Welcome to Marina Arcade. My name is Andreas and I will take you for a walk. So, we're here today in this 2-bedroom apartment in Marina Arcade, which has been completely upgraded. As you can see, a kitchen island has been installed and walls have been removed from the kitchen. We have upgraded cupboards, we have upgraded tiling, and a continuous wooden floor in the whole apartment. Fully furnished apartment with all the best furniture from the top high-end stores in Dubai. From the terrace you can enjoy family moments, friends and family, so it's a pure home for the entertainer. We have a leisure deck, we have a sun deck, and around the corner you can enjoy very nice dinners. Where I'm standing right now, there is a ready approval from the developer to install the jacuzzi. We have the drawings from the architect and everything is approved, just ready to put inside. So coming back from the terrace into the apartment, I will show you the 2 bedrooms. So directly to the right, you have the master bedroom. With a very big size that can fit a king-size bed without any problems. You have a lot of storage space. Both there. There's an extra wardrobe put inside here as well, and as you can see, direct access to a private terrace. Directly opposite the master bedroom, you have a guest bathroom with a standing shower. And then we have second bedroom. Even here, good storage spaces, a decent size, and an ensuite with a bathtub. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If any inquiries, please email below.